In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view analytics in the Wix Owner app on your iPhone. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your site's key numbers and how to read the most important sections so you can make smarter decisions with confidence. Start by opening the Wix Owner app on your iPhone. Once it loads, select your site. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you tap the one you want to review so the analytics reflect the correct project. After you select it, you'll land on the home dashboard. Think of this as your command center. It gives you a quick snapshot of activity and shortcuts to the tools you use most. Along the bottom of the screen, you'll see the main navigation. The Analytics tab sits right beside Home. Go ahead and tap Analytics. This opens a dedicated space for your data designed to show you what's happening on your site at a glance and in more detail when you need it. Inside Analytics, you'll notice sections such as Visitors, Site Sessions, Total Sales, and Total Sales and Bookings. Tap any of these to dive deeper into the numbers for the last 30 days. Visitors tells you how many unique people have come to your site. Site Sessions shows how many times your site was viewed, including repeat visits. Total Sales highlights your overall revenue, and Total Sales and Bookings combines product purchases with paid appointments or services. As you view each area, focus on trends over the past month. Rising numbers can indicate effective content or promotions, while dips may point to pages that need attention. Now scroll down to explore the broader analytics categories. Traffic Overview helps you understand where your audience is coming from, such as direct visits, search, or social channels, so you can see which sources are bringing in the most engagement. Behavior Overview looks at what people do once they arrive, what pages they view, and how they move through your site, so you can identify popular content and potential drop-off points. Marketing Overview brings your promotional efforts into focus, showing how campaigns contribute to traffic and interactions. You'll also find reports, which gather your data in a structured format for easy review, and insights, which surface helpful observations about your performance to guide your next steps. Benchmark provides context by comparing your site's performance to similar sites, giving you a clear sense of where you stand. Finally, monitoring tools help you keep an eye on the health and activity of your site so you can stay proactive. That's it. With the Wix Owner app's analytics, you have a clear, mobile-friendly view of your last 30 days, all in one place.